This is March 20th. This is what's growing in my garden. This here is Glory of the Snow. These are poppies, daffodils, here's some sedum. This Glory of the Snow, I love it because it spreads itself all over the place. These are hardy geraniums. These are crocuses right here. Here's some nice yellow crocuses. Need to get more yellow crocuses. Seems like the ones I got are all purple. All these purple crocuses. These are snowdrops. Are almost done blooming. They're their first phase. There's some more crocuses in here pushing their way up through the leaves. These are tulips here. All these crocuses. One right there, more there. I think this is Columbine. These are Siberian squill. They'll also reproduce by seed. Very nice wildflower. I like nice wildflowers that reproduce by seed like that. Here's another one. Here's some more crocuses over here. Blue and purple and white and yellow all together. And here's some more Siberian squill. This is more more sedum here. This is a taller variety. Has purple flowers on the top. There's more of it over here. Here it looks like these daffodils are getting ready to bloom. And this is the Lenten rose. More Siberian squirrel, crocuses. Okay, that's my garden on March 20th. And if you could, can you please subscribe to my channel and like this video? I would really, really appreciate it. It helps me out. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.